Dear students, in the previous session we have discussed about precipitation, forms of precipitation and types of precipitation. Here let us discuss about the measurement of precipitation, how the measurement will be taken for precipitation. Precipitation data is of utmost importance to hydrologists as it forms the basis of many hydrological studies. All forms of precipitation are essentially measured on the basis of the vertical depth of water that would accumulate on a level surface if the precipitation of water where it fell. Precipitation is usually measured in millimeter and tens of millimeter. If it is less than 1 millimeter, it is recorded as trace. Rainfall with an intensity of 2.5 mm per hour, it is called light rain. Between 2.5 mm per hour and 7.5 mm per hour, it is termed as moderate rain. And when it exceeds 7.5 meter per hour, it is termed as heavy rain. Since the amount of rainfall varies from place to place, it would be necessary to install the rain gauges at various key points in the area. The principle of rain gauge is that the amount of rainfall in the small area will represent the amount of rainfall in a large area, provided the meteorological characteristics of both small and large area are similar. As per the IS standards, IS 4987 to 1968 provides detailed specifications for establishing a network of rain gauge stations. These are some main types of rain gauges used for measurement of rainfall. The first one is non-recording type rain gauges. In this, the first one is Simmons rain gauge, and the second one is recording type rain gauges. In this, there are three types. One is tipping bucket rain gauge, second is weighing bucket rain gauge, and the third one is float type rain gauge. Look at the screen. On the screen, the picture is shown that the Siemens rain gauge type setup. The Indian Meteorological Department has adopted the standard Siemens rain gauge for measuring the rainfall. It is non-recording type rain gauge which consists of cylindrical metal case of internal diameter 127 mm with its base enlarged to 203.2 mm diameter. At the top of the case, a funnel is fixed which is provided with a brass rim measuring exactly 127 mm inside diameter. The funnel shank is inserted in a glass bottle placed inside the case. The case of the rain gauge is fixed in masonry or concrete foundation such that the funnel rim is exactly 305 mm above the ground level. The rainwater enters the bottle through the tunnel and gets collected in the bottle. The rainwater collected in the bottle is measured with the help of a standard measuring glass supplied with each rain gauge, which indicates the millimeters of rain that has fallen at the rain gauge station. At each gauge station, the observations for the rainfall are taken daily two times at 8:30 am and 5:30 pm as Indian Standard Time. However, if the rainfall is likely to exceed the capacity of the bottle, then the few intermediate observations are also taken. The sum of the observations taken will represent the total rainfall of the past 24 hours of the day on which the observation at 8:30 am is taken. In the next video, I'll discuss about the second one, that is the float type rain gauge, that is siphons gauge. Thank you.